A lot of people are stuck right now. You've got a condo or a townhouse, but you can't sell it for the price you want. And if that doesn't happen, you don't have enough cash or mortgage room to get into your next cash flowing multiplex in Toronto. We get it. And you're not alone. A lot of people are in the same boat. So let's take a look at what's really going on and what you can do about this. Your first property sets the tone for everything that comes next. Unfortunately, if you started with a condo that bleeds money every single month, you're really limiting how far you can grow your real estate portfolio. Banks see negative cash flow with condos as a bigger risk, and so that drops your borrowing power. Plus, condos are mostly investor-driven. And so when confidence falls, like what's happening today, that condo market will get hit hardest and it will take a longer time to bounce back. But if you started with a multiplex that actually cash flows, it's a completely different story. That income helps you qualify for more, making it easier for you to scale and keeps you stable even when the market gets rough. Now, here's the part that is tough to accept and even tougher to follow through with. Sometimes you've got to take a hit. Selling at a discount sucks, but if you are moving up, that same discount usually works in your favor on the buy side. You are actually in a net buy position, so overall, you come out ahead when you make this transition. And once you've decided to sell, another thing to keep in mind is that who you list with actually matters. The right agent will build a full strategy that gets you the best outcome, even in a tough market. That means things like strategizing for vacant possession if your home is tenanted, making sure the unit shows the best that it can show, but pricing it right from the start so you're not chasing the market down. Too many sellers these days start too high, hoping for the best, and then adjust too late and end up chasing the market down. And in reality, it's impossible to catch up and sell if you're always lagging lower market prices just by a little bit. And that's the reality. Sometimes you need to take a hit on one side to win bigger on the other. And the numbers prove it. Let's walk through a quick example. Say you've got a $700,000 two-bedroom condo renting for about $3,000 a month. After expenses, you're short around $350 every month, and that is negative carry with no real upside right now. Maybe prices might eventually recover, but who knows when? But until then, you're stuck doing nothing. Now, let's look at what happens if you reposition today. If you sell your condo, even for a lower price, you could walk away with roughly $350,000. So with that money, you buy a $900,000 house in Toronto and put $150,000 to convert that house into 3 units. Now, that same capital works a lot harder this way. Instead of losing $350 a month on the condo, you're making around $2,000 in positive cash flow every single month. And after renovations, the property is worth around $1.2 million. So that is another $150,000 in built-in equity. And because your income is stronger, you can refinance, pull out roughly $240,000 and still cash flow. You can then reinvest that money, whether it's into another investment property or even in the stock market, and have it keep growing. Taking that hit on your condo definitely hurts, but staying stuck hurts even more. You can wait for a rebound, or you can reposition now into something that pays you every single month and builds real buying power. Moving up in this market definitely takes more than luck. You need someone who actually knows both sides, how to sell strategically and how to buy for the long-term growth. And that is how you move forward instead of waiting for the market to bail you out. Now, if you are looking to scale in Toronto's multiplex space, do it the right way with real numbers and solid fundamentals. And that's what we do here at Elevate Realty. We're not just a real estate sales brokerage. We're advisors, planners, and coaches who live and breathe multiplex investing in Toronto. We'll help you find the right opportunities, run the numbers, negotiate the deal for you, plan renovations afterwards, place tenants, and manage property long-term if you need it so that you can focus on actually growing your wealth, not putting out fires. Just book a free strategy call at the link right here and let's map out your next move together.